huh?
It's a little bit, you know, I just don't need deja vu. You know? Our birds, like, the wind is just kind of fun for them, and they don't just let it carry them away.
Right.
So it's more, they're more than happy to take advantage of wind, and, you know, let's go to the golf course. Mom will follow.
Yeah, and let's go hang out.
Yeah, mine don't generally do that,
Yeah.
but they will get tired and go sit.
Right. Oh, that's good. Is there not any nice little parks we could go to?
How's he doing?
I haven't let him go yet.
Is Brandon here?
No, just me. He's ready to go. I know that. He's been.
Are you holding the foot?
Yeah.
Let me get my
Oh yeah,
camera
I'm
so he
holding.
starts interacting with the ravens. I want a shot of that.
He is ready.
Are they hand painted?
Yeah, it's
Good.
funny. My grandma got me these. It's like when you.
Perfect for you.
Yeah,
huh?
when my we have parrots. Everybody wants to buy us parrot stuff.
I know.
We're collectors now.
Yeah.
Hi.
All right, I'll go get my bird and a perch, one bird.
I've had Kelly for almost 5 years now, and he's been flying for just about 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have other birds?
I do have one other bird. Her name's Girl Scout.
A macaw?
What's that?
A macaw?
Yeah, she's the same species.
Okay. So you always keep them in pairs, do you?
I don't always keep them in pairs, but I actually had him for about 3 years before I had the other.
Over here! Come on! Come on, Whiter! Over here! Come on! Come on!
So we've got Whitey and Otto together, or not?
Yes.
Wait, I don't see Whitey.
Come on! Over here! Come on! Come on! Hey! Over here! Over here! Come on! Come on! Over here! Very good. Come on. Come on. Nice.
Hey, Otto! Hey! Otto! Come on back! Otto! Hey! Come here, Otto! Come on! Come on! Good boy, good boy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Drama today, isn't there?
Drama, that's right. He doesn't even want the nut. Look, he won't even take it. Well, that was scary.
Well, you can see him trying to work his way back.
Yeah, trying is exactly the right word, trying. I have a pair of blue and gold macaws, unrelated, male and female. They're about 3 years old, and I've had them since they were really young, and trained them for free flight when they were just after fledging. They started flying outside right when they were about 2 weeks of age, 2 weeks after fledging, sorry. They were about maybe 14 weeks old. So, and this is the boy, Otto.
Otto.
Yes, and his partner is Emma in the crate. And I'm just kind of counting on the fact that he's not going to fly away because of her in the crate today, because normally I'd let them both out together, but with this kind of wind, it's questionable. It's just when they get too tired, they wouldn't think twice about sitting in a tree for a few hours, you know, if it was too windy and they were tired. So we're keeping like, you know, keeping their risks minimized today. And he had quite a chase, and they're a pair of macaws that gets a lot of outdoor free flying time because of where we live. And so he's actually one of the few macaws I know of that actually is really chasing hawks away. So that's something I've witnessed time and time again, him chasing hawks away. Although today, he was the one who was chased by the raven. It seemed like it got his tail just now. You got it. Oh, there you go.
Off he goes. And there's a raven.
Right here, Polly.
30 minutes.
I don't
We
know.
saw one 10 minutes ago over there.
Where?
Like over the highway.
How long? And was it
Maybe 10-15 minutes ago.
was it flying with some ravens or was it by itself?
It was with the ravens.
It was with the ravens.
It was kind of flying this way.
Yeah, it might have
Yeah,
been this
but,
bird on his way back. Careful of your feet. Huh? Don't want the door to close on you. Come on. Good bird. Yeah, you're good. So it looks like someone saw him cross the highway.
On the other side.
It looks like it, yeah, going towards
So you think the bird's way off its bearings?
It's hard to say, you know. Callie's had a few episodes where he's gone quite far away.
Oh, you're on the other side of the golf course where Emma was? I thought you were on the other side. I know, believe me, I know this better than most people. I know about this. I've been through this with my blue throat, which you haven't met. I understand you get being jaded about it, that you think you'll get her back and all of that. Yeah, the Craigslist ad, and then, you know, you'll probably have to call the local shelter. You know, I think we should wait here for at least, you know, like I don't know, 45 minutes, an hour or something more. I mean, I can't just think that we can't just go. His one bird is loose, I believe.
Yeah, she's fine. She ain't.
She's all right. I guess she's not going anywhere. White ear, but that's it. And mine are locked up.
Where did you see her last?
I saw him over there flying. But I'm gonna go on a trek now to go find him.
This is the first time?
That he's been lost?
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
definitely
This
not.
is something that you're used
No, I'm
to?
actually quite jaded with this feeling
Okay.
telling you that.
I know about this firsthand. This feeling of like always like having like 9 lives.
Up to that next row of trees. There.
There were a bunch of trees.
I will call you or text you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I know there was loads of them.
Now that I think about it, this is around the same time.
Like I always keep, you know, I fly my birds a lot around crows around the neighborhood, and keep in contact with them because it's great preparation for predator chases.
Yeah.
You know, you want them to keep their bearings and keep their head. With all these ravens around here, if he was sitting in one of these trees, they'd probably be circling around. I mean, that's kind of an indicator.
Yeah.
Callie!
Callie!
Well, here's the thing. Once a bird gets that far, you lose perspective. He could have been much closer. He could be in that tree line
Yeah.
on the other side of the lake. To the other side?
I went down to the middle of the lake. There's a bunch of people down there. No sign of him. I went.
But the guy's positive he saw him fly over that way.
Yeah. He said eventually the crows let him go.
Right?
And
he kept going.
And Callie just kept going. So.
Well, can we walk down? Is there a trail that goes down that way? So, like, I'll see my bird, like, flying through the neighborhood, and they'll dodge in and out of trees. And I know where they are based on where the tracking gull is further up in the air. It's like, oh, yeah, they're over in that neighborhood, and now they're working their way back here. And sure enough, you'll see them appear through a few trees. But it's, in my opinion, it's a very critical tool. Yeah. Yeah, we went and looked in those trees, and if he's hunkered down, he's not calling back. But if that guy really did watch him fly across, that's a likely spot because it's a low spot in a ravine, and it's still, and it's quiet, and it's conceivable he went that way.
Okay,
So,
I trust you.
yeah. Well, I mean, it's worth looking at.
What should you like me to do?
I think we should all go, and we'll go park and walk that. Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of this just hinges on whether that guy saw exactly what he thinks he saw. I have to imagine he did.
If you're willing to call her on my phone, can I put you on the line with her?
Sure.
Okay. She asked to speak to you.
Oh.
She was instrumental for me several times getting her back. Okay? So, you know how to use the iPhone.